So talking about big things this year, and caravan industries come up with a mindset that I think is amazing for our clients and people out there that are working in the industry, that we've got an idea of caravanning and getting the opportunity to win $1 million by using different members like ourselves down here. And something you can do is we'll have some paraphernalia in our office, and when you come in and see us and do some work for us, and up to certain values give you certain tickets into this. So you can be working with us and you might get 2 tickets into it. If you spend so much money, you get maybe 10 tickets. And some more money, you get 15 tickets. And these entries give you the opportunity to go into the draw for a chance to win $1 million. Like, that stuff to me is pretty upsetting to me because I'm not allowed to enter. So I'm just saying, if you're coming down here, speak to the team and definitely don't leave without having to think about putting those entries in. Because if you've got the opportunity to win $1 million with dealing with a company for no other reason than just putting an entry in a draw, it's not a bad thing. So guys, please, we're going to sort of show you some of this stuff moving over the next month and what's coming up with it. And I think you're going to see a bit of this on the free-to-air TV and different opportunities and stuff, but look out for it. And if you're coming in, reach out. We want to make sure that you get in the chance, because there would be nothing better than me standing here with you in some other time when this is drawn and shaking your hand saying that the entry that you did at AllBrand Caravan Services got you $1 million. I couldn't see it. That would just make me smile so much. So guys, please reach out, ask the team, I'll get you in the draw, and you have your chance to win $1 million.